we have sinned. They were sinning and knew they were sinning, but didn't want to admit they were sinning until after he sent. Mm, he had to send the fiery serpents in order for them to see themselves. So he might have allowed us to get sick so we can see ourselves. He might have allowed us to have finance issues so we can see ourselves. He might have allowed us to have children issues so we can see ourselves. He might have allowed us to have marriage issues just so we can see ourselves. He might have allowed us to have car issues so we can see ourselves. We have issues with seeing ourselves. We can see everybody else real good. But when it comes to us seeing ourselves, we don't want to see ourselves. Why? Why we don't want to see ourselves? Why we don't want to self-check? We're real good at checking everybody else, but why we don't check ourselves more often? Why we don't look internal to see what's our problem? They did not realize they had sinned until after the serpent, after Jesus, after God, my bad, after God sent the serpent. After God sent the serpent, then they checked themselves. When they had an infirmity issue, they checked themselves. When they was going through some kind of difficulty, then they checked themselves.